this, and this.
Where's the blade at?
It's right here. It's like a little saw blade.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What this does, this thing comes up like this. This moves over like this. That bar hits the front of the board. This drops down and cuts it off. Then this thing runs around the back of the board, lifts up, this goes over like this, it catches up to the back of the board and it comes back down.
Oh, wow.
And cuts the back off.
You ever seen it operate with this up?
Yeah.
That's pretty clever. It's
Pretty clever.
It's a pretty easy way to make a machine. Just
Yeah, except it's got a minimum it can cut.
minimum.
Yeah, meaning something this long is too short.
Oh, so it won't.
It will trim the first edge and then it'll leave the back end long. It won't even try.
Oh.
Is that what this is?
Is that the minimum?
No.
How long is the
I mean,
minimum?
that's hers.
Okay, so if I had a better machine, more expensive machine, it would have two of these, and they would be face to face. One saw blade here, one saw blade there. The first one would go zhuzh, and the second one would go zhuzh, and I would be able to cut edge band something that long. It would be whatever the distance between the two blades was. But that's twice as many motors,
Yeah.
and a lot.
Times as much more.
So that's a way that they saved a whole lot of money, but it's got this limitation.
Okay. And then this thing, well, what's that meter for?
That is the amount of air pressure that's here.
So this is also a pneumatic tool.
Electric
Pneumatic?
and pneumatic. You can see that it throws a lot of little bits of tape all over the place. They're supposed to go down that slot there, that big opening,
Yeah.
but they don't quite do that. So, now the board has got its end trimmed off. It comes through here like this, and it's running right here. This is a follower that's pressing against the board. The cutter is down in here. Right here.
Okay.
And it's shaped like that. Angle, slow angle, curve, and then another angle. It's adjustable anywhere along here to trim this edge however I want to trim it. That's controlled by these three numbers. This one controls the follower, this one controls the trimmer in and out and up and down.
And that one.
There's two trimmers, one for the top, one for the bottom. This is for the bottom, that's for the top.
So how do you know where to set it? Why are they all at 5 and that one?
I don't know why that one's where it is. They're supposed to all be at the same number.
I mean,
Somebody just came in and adjusted it and just adjusted that one. You know because you get a good trim. If it's adjusted wrong, you're going to have excess,
yeah.
or it's going to be cutting into the edge of the board and making a little rabbit. So, depending on where those are, you can either have just the right amount of trim, it could be too short.
That would suck to rabbit like your own thing actually like wouldn't you just edge band like a piece of scrap first?
If you were smart, you would.
That would suck so much. Imagine you finish
Yeah, but
cutting something and then you just completely ruin it.
That would suck. The last thing is the cotton wheel. about $5,000, $6,000 more than this. So, yeah, just to trim, just to break the edges, so we didn't get it. If you had that, there'd be another set of hoses going out there. That was one. Not really. None of these machines. Once you buy them, it's probably.
You can't mod them. You can modify them.
You probably could, but you probably would be better off buying it brand new with the thing
The
on
parts.
it. You know, like our CNC, there was a part that most of them come with, was called a drill block. It's like, and we didn't get it. It was like $6,000 less to buy it without the drill block.
Is the drill block that necessary? Or
No,
what does it do?
our salesperson says for what you're doing, you don't really need the drill block. You're probably better off without it. Save the $6 grand.